Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to cite on ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT first. Log into your ChatGPT account with ID and password. After login, you'll find here your ChatGPT is ready. Now I'm gonna write here, write a paragraph on traffic jam with citation. Now if I click on OK or enter, you can see it is start writing. Here you can see that paragraphs has been written with the proper reference and citations. Okay, I'm showing again. Just command it here. Write what is write an essay on management with citation. Hit enter. It will start writing. You can see it is writing. It will give the citation. Hold on. You can see here's the citation. Fail this one. So here you can see the essay has been written with proper references and citations. You can see here the citations. Okay, so this is how you can cite in ChatGPT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.